so what I did today, you know, this is the first day that we've started, and the first thing I had to do was go around and take all the shutter frames off, and that took me about half a day. And then the second thing I did is I started doing my mechanical makeover. All right, what is the mechanical makeover? Very, very important. It's what allows me to do the rest of the work on the window, okay? And so if you get in close here, you can see that I went ahead and I changed the ropes out, okay? And I attached them for the both of them so that the top sash works really, really nice, okay? But working really, really nice isn't the point. Being able to take it out very quickly, that's the point. So what I've done is I have nailed this side where it goes, because that side's complete. I just have to address the paint and all that kind of stuff. It's good, but I don't have to take this off anymore because the ropes are done. On this side, I like to do the right-hand side. Look, this window stop just pops right off, okay? And that allows me to then take the sash out very, very fast. See that? I'm not going to take it out, but you see the point. Okay, now the other thing too is the parting bead is also ready to come out. That'll allow me to get the top sash out. Now, it also allows me to put it all back together very fast if I need to, okay? So, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put it back together because now I'm ready to go. Now,